But the fallout is just beginning today. Calls to put the PGA Tour, pull it from Augusta, Georgia.
And now Major League Baseball wants to move the All-Star game from Atlanta. CBS 46 Capitol reporter Haley Mason joins us live tonight. And Haley, the reaction has been swift.
Yes, and right now protesters outside of the Capitol say they are trying to mount legal efforts to strengthen their fight and raise their voices against these bills. Governor Kemp signing that bill into law in a nearly record-setting pace late yesterday evening.
For over 10 years, I've led the fight to strengthen protections at the ballot box.
At the same time, the first federal lawsuit is filed on behalf of the New Georgia Project, Black Voters Matter, and Rise, Inc. They're asking federal courts for injunctive relief, saying the new law violates the Voting Rights Act and the Constitution.
It specifically addresses the burdensome and unnecessary requirements that this new law places on getting an absentee ballot, on voting early, on using drop boxes.
Francis Johnson is the chair of the New Georgia Project, the group that calls the new law Jim Crow 2.0. It's a statement Republicans have called offensive. I asked why they believe firmly in this description.
Well, Jim Crow was a system that sought to undermine the right to vote and make it not practically possible by passing all kinds of onerous mandates on voters that had nothing to do with them casting a ballot.
President Biden shared the same sentiment, comparing Georgia's new law to Jim Crow.
This is nothing but punitive, designed to keep people from voting.
Frustrations boiled over as the governor signed the bill behind closed doors.
Are you serious? No, you are.
Representative Park Cannon arrested by Capitol Police while knocking on the governor's door to see the signing. U.S. Senator Raphael Warnock showed up at the Fulton County Jail to aid in her release. He spoke again about the issue this afternoon.
But there she was, a sitting state representative, arrested and charged with 2 felonies for knocking on the door. People who are confident about their message to the electorate don't have to hide from the electorate in order to sign a bill.
Georgia has a case of the can't get rights, the won't get rights, and it needs the federal court to tell it to get right, and that's what we've asked the federal court to do.
And Georgia Governor Brian Kemp is responding to President Biden this afternoon, saying that Biden must not have read the bill that he says expands voting access. Kemp said there's nothing, quote, Jim Crow about requiring a photo or state ID to vote by absentee ballot. Biden, though, urging Congress now to pass the For the People Act and the John Lewis Voting Advancement Act to protect access to voting. Reporting live outside the state capitol, Haley Mason, CBS 46 News.